Dhumpan. Introduction. Dhumpan bird is made up of two words. Dhuma means smoke and pana means consume. So Dhumpana means inhalation of medicated dhuma for treatment as well as prevention of different diseases. Dhumpan is an idiosyncratic Ayurvedic treatment procedure which is mainly carried out in various head and neck disorder and psychosomatic disorders. Dhumpan supports in various pre-post procedures and act as curative therapy in most of the head and neck disorders. Dhumpan is implemented by igniting a special medicated wick and patient is allowed to inhale through nostrils and exhale the fumigation through mouth. Types of Dhumpan. According to the Acharya Charaka, as mentioned in the Sutristan 5 by 58, Dhumpan is of three types. Prayogik or Saman for prevention pacifying diseases. Second, Varechnik, and third one is Snehik. According to the Acharya Susruta, as mentioned in the Sushrut Samhita Chikitsa Sthana 40 by 4, Dhumpan is of five types. Prayogik or Saman. Second is Paraichnik, Snehik, Kasagn, and Bamaniya. Preparation of medicated wick for smoking in the Dhumpan. Materials required: Harenuka, Priyangu, Prathvika, Kesar, Nakh, Hiriver, Chandan, Patra, Twaka, Ela, Usir, Padmak, Dhyamak, Madhok, Jatamansi, Gugul, Aguru, Sargara, Nyagrodha, Udumbar, Aswat, Plax, Lodh, Banya, Sarjaras, Musta, Saleh, Utpal, Sri Bestak, Salakki. Method of Prayogic Dhumpan. Make paste of above-mentioned drugs by grinding and adding water. Stick that paste on the Sresika pipe-like structure such that its width should be more in center and narrow at the ends. Pramana Angushta Pramana, thickness of the thumb. Length should be of 12 angle. Measurement by the fingers approximately 21.12 centimeter according to the Acharya Charak. And according to Acharya Susrut, 8 angle measured by the fingers approximately 14.08 centimeters. Dry that varti in the shade and then remove it from the sarasic pipe like structure. Indications: Sir Gaurav, heaviness in the head; Sir Sula, headache; penis, common cold; Adhav Vedaka, migraine; Karna Sula, earache; Akshi Sula, oculopan; Kasah, cough; Hikka, hiccups; Swas, asthma; Galagraha, sore throat; Dant Daurlabhya, weakness in the gums; Srotosravah, ear discharge; Ghranastrava, nasal discharge; Akshistrava, lacrimal discharge; Puti Grahana, foul smell from nose; Asyagandha, foul smell from mouth; Dantasula, pain in the teeth; Arochak, anorexia; Hanugraha, stiffness in the jaw; Manyagraha, stiffness in neck; Kandu, itching. Krimi, worm infestation; Mukha Panduta, pale face; Slesma Prasek, secretion from the mouth; Vaisvarya, change in voice; Galsundi, uveitis; Upjivika, ranula; Khalit, alopecia; Sabathu, sneezing; Atitandra, reduced acuity or perception; Buddhi Moho, delusion; Murcha, dizziness; Atinidra, hypersomnia; Kesa Patana, hair fall. Dhumpan provides strength to the organs in sir, kesa, akshi, karn, swar and throat. Procedure of Dhumpana. Person should sit in comfortable posture and breathe normally. Place the Dhumbati in the Dhumnetra and ignite it. Then the person should inhale the smoke come out from the Dhumavati through one nostril, exhale the same through the mouth. In one round, 3 puffs should be taken. Do the same procedure through another nostril. Inhalation of the smoke can be done by nostril or mouth, but exhalation should only be done through mouth. Point my birds. Exhalation should only be done through mouth. Clinical features of proper Dhumpana. As mentioned in the Charak Sutrasthana 5 by 37, purity and lightness in the chest region, throat, and all sense organs, lightness in the head and supraclavicular region. Elimination of the cough and Vata dosa. Dhumpan indicated as treatment for various diseases. Barogenic Dhumpan is prescribed in treatment of Krimi, Kust, class, as mentioned in the Charak Chikitsa Sthan 7 by 49. In Unmadi Chikitsa, if patient is having penis, paranasal sinusitis, and mukh prasek, excessive salivation, then the barogenic Dhumpan or Dhumpan prepared with the Sveta, Clitoria ternatia, Alsacra drugs with the Hingu, Perula asphosphatida should be used. Charak Chikitsa Sthan 9 by 73. बाताचे प्रतिसाय allergic rhinitis, सौंफ, त्वक, बला, स्योनक, एरंड, मूल. Paste of these drugs should be added with the madhusista, basa, and ghrita, and prepared dhumvati should be used, as mentioned in the Charak Chikitsa Sthan 30 by 136. Naveen Pratisya rhinitis, dhumvati made of above Saktu and Ghrita should be used for Dhumpan. Charak Chikitsa Sthan 30 by 137. Kafaja Pratisya rhinitis. Dhumvati made of the pungent Kattu Rasa Drabya should be used as mentioned in the Charak Chikitsa Sthan 30 by 151. Sirorog diseases of the head. Dhumvati prepared from the Arandamula, Jatamansi, Chom, Guglu, Aguru, Chandan should be used as mentioned in the Charak Chikitsa Sthan 30 by 183. Contemporary approach. The Dhumpan, when ignited, releases the volatile substances in the nostrils, which are absorbed, resulting in the vasodilation and stimulation of the surrounding nerves of the nasopharynx and olfactory nerves. This stimulates the endocrine system and nervous system also. Same way, when these volatile substances are inhaled and reach lungs, it leads to soothing effect and eases the difficulty of breathing because of their bronchodilator effect. Preparation for Dhumpan in Swasa Roga. Mansiladi Dhum, as mentioned in the Bhesaji Ratnavali, Kasa Chikitsa 15 by 3940. Arkadi Dhuma, as mentioned in the Bhesaji Ratnavali, Kasa Chikitsa 15 by 4342. Marichadi Dhuma, as mentioned in the Bhesaji Ratnavali, Kasa Chikitsa 15 by 4244. Madhwadi Dhuma, as mentioned in the Bhesaji Ratnavali, Bal Rogadhika are 71 by 30. Dhatur Panchangul Dhuma, as mentioned in the Bhesaji Ratnavali, 16 by 23. Prapondrikadi Dhuma, as mentioned in the Charak Chikitsa, 18 by 71 and 72. Properties of drug of Dhumpana. Drug of Dhumpan are antitussives, antibacterial, bronchodilator, and expectorant, and antihistamine in the nature. Thank you.